Hello, my name is Captain Josh Watson. I'm the Mission Command Branch Chief for the District of Columbia, Army National Guard, G6. During this block of instruction, I'll be providing an overview of some of the features you may use while operating the Android Team Awareness Kit, or ATAK, while here in the District of Columbia. While not an extensive list of the features that the ATAK offers, it is some of the most common that you'll use. Pause and play this video as much as you like. It's intended to give you a good overview of the system. Should you have any further questions, please reach out to your signal representative for your unit. The ATAK I'll be demonstrating with today is an Android-based cellular phone with the ATAK app installed on it. Users can also access the ATAK app, which is the iPhone equivalent. The first thing we'll do today is orient you to the device. Again, as a reminder, we'll be demonstrating on an Android device. If you turn the phone to the right, we'll be able to see a volume up and volume down key. Below, you'll see the power button. On the bottom is where we'll plug in the device, as well as the speakers for the device as well. In order to turn on the ATAK, push and hold the power button located right here, just like you would any cell phone. The device will boot up, and when the phone is on, swipe anywhere on the keypad and enter the PIN number to open the phone. If you're on a mission, this PIN number will be located on the commo card that your signal section will provide. For this demonstration, we'll use the numbers 8888. Once the ATAK is on, you'll see the home screen. There'll be an ATAK application that looks just like this. Tap on the ATAK application, and you may have to click through a couple notifications as the app boots up. If you have any problems, contact your signal section representative for any trouble. Once the application screen is open, you'll want to pay attention to a few things. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see a TAK server icon with a red or a green dot. If you see a green dot, that means your ATAK is connected to the server. If you have a red dot, please contact your signal section representative. The phone number or call sign will be located on your commo card that's provided to you. Next thing to pay attention to, in the lower right-hand corner, you'll see a box with your call sign of your ATAK, as well as a 10-digit grid location. Should you have an error that says no GPS signal, please contact your signal section representative. The next feature we'll go over is how to change the maps. This essentially changes the view of what you're looking at on your device. Go to the top of the screen and look for a wavy page. Looks just like that, the wavy page. Click on that and pick any map that you would like to view. So we're going to click on that, and there's a map section here where you can pick through any of the maps. We're going to use Google Sat for this demonstration. Next, we'll look at how to lock in on a current point where you're currently located at. Look to the left, and you're going to see a crosshair icon. Click on that icon, and it will lock you into your current position. Click it again, and it will unlock you from your current position. The next feature we'll navigate to is the settings feature. We'll go over in the settings how to change your call sign, how to change your icon, and also how to change the color of your icon. First, click the three lines in the upper right-hand corner. In older versions, it's three dots, and if you're even older, it's three seashells. Once you click three lines, scroll down to settings. It can be all the way down at the bottom here. So click on settings, and then go to call sign and device preferences. Once there, click call sign preferences and start from the top and adjust. So we're going to go to call sign preferences and my call sign. This will be set by your SOI that your unit will provide. And then we're going to click done and OK. And we're going to go down to my team. We're going to click your color. Again, this will be set by your SOI or your signal operating instruction, as well as my role. Once finished, click the arrow over button located at the top right-hand corner of your screen. The last feature we'll go over today is how to call another ATAK on the operating picture on your ATAK. So find a device that you would like to call or text and click that dot. On our screen right here, we have a little green dot in the upper left-hand corner. We're going to click on that dot, and we'll see a contact card pop up. Okay? We're going to click on that contact card, and there's two things to pay attention to. There's a phone and an SMS. So if we click on that phone, it's going to come up as the person's phone number, and we can call that person. Same thing. Click on the contact card again, click SMS, and we can text that person or text that point. You can use this to call or text in between each of the positions. If you have any further questions relating to this block of instruction, feel free to reach out to us at the below email address. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube page